In this section, we're going to look at tree diagrams and how they can be helpful in kind of organizing the information and visually seeing how we're getting an outcome. So sometimes it's much easier to like draw something out so you can see it. So what we're talking about here is if the spinner below is spun twice. So if you spin it, you have a chance of getting an A, B, or a C. Now, if you spin it again, you have another chance of getting an A, B, and a C. And then if you spun it again here, A, B, or C. And then if you spun it again here, A, B, or C. So if I wanted my sample space, remember what sample space means. Sample space means all possible outcomes. So here's where we list all our possible outcomes. And remember there's more than one, so I'm going to use a bracket. And I'm going to say, okay, I could get an AA, I could get an AB, I could get an AC, I could get a BA, I could get a BB, and I could get a BC, I could get a CA, CB, and a CC. So if I spun that spinner twice, I have all these results that could happen, a total of 9. So probability question is asking the favorable outcome over the total possible number of outcomes. So the probability of me getting a B twice is 1 out of 9. Okay? The probability of at least one A would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where they all have an A. So you have 5 out of 9 chance of getting at least one A. And then no C would be 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 9. So that's how I'm answering my probability questions and how I'm setting up my sample space. Okay, let's take a look at more of these. These are kind of fun. I like drawing these. Okay, so the popcorn stand offers buttered or unbuttered popcorn. And you have 3 sizes. You have a small, medium, and large. Small, medium, and large. So what are the possible outcomes if you went to the movie? What are your possible outcomes? We're going to list them here. You could get a buttered small. You could get a buttered medium. You can get a buttered large. You can get an unbuttered small. Who does that? Unbuttered. No way. Unbuttered medium and unbuttered large. Okay, so what is the probability of you getting a buttered popcorn? Would be 3 out of 6, 1/2. What about a large? Would be 2 out of 6, which is 1/3. And a small with no butter would be 1 out of 6. So do you see I'm looking at the tree map, I'm listing my sample, and then I'm doing the probability of those guys. All right, let's do number 3. Okay, you have a choice of vanilla or chocolate ice cream, and then they can be topped with sprinkles, peanuts, granola, or M&Ms. So you can get sprinkles, peanuts, granola, M&Ms. So what are the possible outcomes I could have? Vanilla with sprinkles, vanilla with peanuts, vanilla with granola, vanilla with M&Ms. I get a chocolate sprinkle, chocolate peanut, chocolate granola, and chocolate M&Ms. Those are my total number of samples. And then, so what's the probability to get a chocolate? 4 out of 8, which is 1/2. And then peanut, the probability of me getting M&Ms is going to be 2 out of 8, which is 1/4. And the probability of a vanilla with sprinkles is only 1 out of 8 chance.